here and oink oink there. Here and oink, there and oink, everywhere and oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Look, look what I found, a colorful playground. Hop, skip, jump and run and have a lot of fun. Look, look, a seesaw that goes up and down. Don't forget the merry-go-round that goes round and round. Take a seat on the swings and go to and fro. Watch me on the slides. Ready? Here I go! Sway along the monkey bar. Watch me go real far. Catch a frisbee, throw a ball. Be careful not to fall. I love to stay and play with my friends all day. It's getting late, we gotta go. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye! Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow, back to my home I dare not go. For if I do, my sister will say, Did you ever see a cat? Wearing a hat, pink. Down by the bay, where the apples grow, back to my home I dare not go. For if I do, my sister will say, Did you ever see a dog? Woof, woof, talking to a frog. Green. Down by the bay, where the blueberries grow, back to my home I dare not go. For if I do, my sister will say, Did you ever see a sheep? Sleeping on a heap. Yellow. Off barn and hay, down by the bay, where the animals stay. Help me learn colors and say hooray. But it is time that I should go. Will you come back home now? We are done for today. like a superstar. What color is the blueberry? What color is the blueberry? Blue, blue. The blueberry is blue, like the sky, like a bird. This is fun. So sing out loud. What color is the lollipop? What color is the lollipop? Pink, pink. The lollipop is pink, like a candy, like an ice cream. This is wonderful, just like a dream. What color is the broccoli? What color is the broccoli? Green, green. The broccoli is green, like a leaf. And the trees, like spinach, cucumber, lettuce and peas. This was so much fun, learning colors. Hope you liked it too. Bye-bye. Bye.
Twiddly-dum and Twiddly-dee agreed to have a battle, for Twiddly-dum said Twiddly-dee had spoiled his icy rattle. Then flew down a monstrous crow as black as a tar barrel, which frightened both the heroes so they quite forgot the quarrel. Twiddly-dum and Twiddly-dee agreed to have a deal, for Twiddly-dum said Twiddly-dee, let's cook a yummy meal. Then flew down a pretty dove as white as a lily. Then both the heroes then realized their quarrel was so silly. Twiddly-dum and Twiddly-dee agreed to never fight, so Twiddly-dum said Twiddly-dee, let's set our quarrel aside. Then flew down a nightingale, a voice so very sweet, and both the heroes hugged each other and gave each other a treat.
5 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came swimming back. No little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Daddy duck said quack, 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 and all the 5 little ducks came back.
Cheer, 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 and Bingo was his name. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. And Bingo was his name. Bingo was his name. Bingo was his name.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. This is the way we brush our teeth, we brush our teeth, we brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. So early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, we wash our face, we wash our face. This is the way we wash our face. So early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, we comb our hair, we comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair. So early in the morning. This is the way we go to school, we go to school, we go to school. This is the way we go to school. So early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. So early in the morning.
Mana ada nama dari cincin kena kau dapat tutup? Ye, pamit ke Yuput ka? Tuh, nak kau petusa? Balik batu foto. Mana begiling begitu pakai selfie foto? Ini tali toast. Whoa, team! Yay! Huh? Huh? Hmm? Huh? Huh?
Play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Go away. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curd and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curd and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her, frightened Miss Muffet away. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curd and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ah! jumping on the road. Four little buses jumping on the road. One jumped up and bumped his head. The tractor called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more buses jumping on the road." Three little buses jumping on the road. One jumped up and bumped his head. The rocket called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more buses jumping